Hello to you. Peter, say hello to you.
Hello.
What's your name?
Why the advertising for the phone or what?
Yeah, advertising for the phone. Huawei Pro 90. The newest Huawei.
Hello.
First year of middle school.
First year of middle school.
Yeah.
So it's like 6th grade or
7th?
7th grade.
Yeah, 7th grade.
Oh, okay.
13 years old. 13, 14 years old.
Really big boys, so girls. Hello. Nice to meet you.
These kids are from Xinjiang.
What?
These kids are actually come from Xinjiang.
From your house or from your city?
No, Xinjiang province.
Xinjiang.
The northeast, the northwest province. That one. They fly here.
Okay.
They fly to Wuhan. Oh, you can stand up and go ahead and have a look. Come on.
Oh, yeah, I see. It's okay.
And also, this is unmanned driving, no man driving.
No man driving. Yeah.
You can see the George City. Something traditional skills.
Right.
We like our education system want kids to study outside of the school instead of just
I know, that's fine.
Yeah. Isn't this excellent for sightseeing? Isn't this excellent for sightseeing?
Yeah. So is it like just we rode here and then now we are right back?
Yeah, we